हाय। अपने लास्ट व्लॉग में मैंने आप सबसे प्रॉमिस किया था कि आई बी ट्रैवलिंग सून। सो वेलकम टू दिस पार्ट ऑफ इनक्रेडिबल इंडिया। वेलकम टू कुनूर। कुनूर में वी वर प्लानिंग टू स्टे फॉर 2 nights and 3 days। तो इन 2 दिनों में मैं कहाँ कहाँ गई, मैंने क्या खाया, हमने क्या एक्सप्लोर किया, प्लेसेस टू विजिट, मैं आप सबसे शेयर करूंगी। पर उससे पहले लेट्स चेक इन टू द ब्यूटिफुल रिजॉर्ट। So this is our cozy little cottage overviewing the beautiful नीलगिरीज। कॉटेज बहुत ही प्यारा है, एक अजीब सी विंटेज वाइब है इस जगह की। I loved the location of the place. I loved the interiors, how they have done. एकदम जंगल थीम में है। There was a nice comfortable small bed even for kids. And एक छोटा सा ड्रेसिंग एरिया भी था, like a walk-in wardrobe. So all over cottage काफी warm था, cozy था, and it was giving like very nice cottage, English cottage vibe.
Hi, so we have just checked in to our resort and we are finally here in Kunur. And oh my god, it's a very small 2-night, 3-day trip. It's like a mini trip. And it's December, it's literally 1st December. We have stepped into 1st December and you won't believe this is my first trip of the year, first trip of 2025, and that too in December. Though it's a small trip, but we are going to make most out of it. And yeah, luggage sab rakh diya hai room mein, we are all settled, and I just want to show you a little bit around because I'm so mesmerized by this view, by this place, by this resort. Of course it's December, so there's chill in the air and the whole atmosphere is quite misty. Lag raha hai ki haan mountains mein aa gaye hain. It's looking very very pretty. So I'm just going to show you around. So our resort is literally here overlooking the tea gardens and everything. The girls are enjoying themselves there at the swings and look at the view. It's beautiful, isn't it? Oh my god, I can't believe itna beautiful. I mean, I can't tell you. I think the camera is not doing justice because I can just show you the look, the view. I cannot show you the feel, you know. It's absolutely stunning. I'm so excited. So today we'll do a little bit of sightseeing, whatever we can do in half a day around this place, around Kunur. And yes, please come along.
Kunur is 550 kilometers from Chennai. We traveled from Chennai to Coimbatore in a Vande Bharat, and from Coimbatore it's a very convenient 2-hour drive up the mountains. The views around the drive are very very scenic. Today is day 1 and we first chose to visit a tea factory for the kids.
Okay, we are here and now this is like the second stage of tea making. This is the crusher, this big one. यहाँ पे टी लीव्स जो होती है वो क्रश होती है, फिर उसके बाद वो जो एक मशीन है वहाँ पे टेयरिंग होती है लीव्स की, और फिर ये पीछे जो आप ये बिग मशीन देख रहे हो यहाँ पे कर्लिंग होती है, तो कर्ल करने के बाद उसको प्रोसेस किया जाता है. सो दिस इज़ इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी ऑल द बिग मशीनरी एंड द गैजेट्स जहाँ पे टी प्रोसेस होती है. एक्चुअली दिस इज़ माई सेकेंड ट्रिप टू अ टी फैक्ट्री, बट तनीसी विदुषी इज़ फर्स्ट टाइम. सो वी केम हियर, वी थॉट सबसे पहले टी फैक्ट्री चलते हैं और दिखाते हैं कि मम्मी पापा जो चाय पीते हैं वो कैसे बनती है. इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग एक्चुअली, इट्स क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is crushing. This is crushing.
This is cutting,
Cutting, curling, and this is roasted tea. So this is the tea which we drink actually.
Honestly, if you're also coming with children, then I highly recommend this activity. It was very informative, interesting, and then you get to carry a lot of different kind of tea as souvenirs.
This is the last process of tea making. यहाँ पे sieving होगी और this will be the best, the premium tea, then the middle range and then the dust. what we have in our normal day-to-day life is actually the dust, which has the maximum amount of color. Here, nevertheless, is the wastage. So this is like a wastage.
This immunity. But many snacks.
So what are you having? What is that? Peach.
This is with sugar, huh?
Sugar like that.
And what is this?
This immunity. Herbal.
Immunity.
3 times. अच्छा.
Oh, lovely.
No milk, no sugar.
यार ये ऐसा कब
This
चाहिए पता है?
jug is very nice.
Jug na online booking madam Wonder Jug.
वंडर शेफ अच्छा ओके.
Ma'am Wonder Jug.
Okay, I'll get it. Very nice.
This green tea on tea ready करेंगे.
So I'm going to try
White tea.
white tea for the first time.
Which is 10,000 rupees kg.
It's nice.
Nice, ma'am.
So actually it's 10,000 rupees per kg, and this is apparently very good for diabetic people,
Diabetic,
for
cancer,
cancer
heart,
patients,
heart
for heart patients, because it controls your insulin, blood sugar and stuff like that. It's really costly, and it's not bad. It's kind of tasteless, but in a nice way. It's not bad.
हॉट नहीं है
Hot है. ये दिखाने में.
And once we were done with the tea factory tour, we were taken to the kitchen to sample a few green teas there, and we really liked it. After that, we moved on to the gift store where they will show you a couple of other teas like the detox tea, the Kashmiri Kawa, the blueberry tea, the peach tea, and we picked up few teas for ourselves, few teas for gifting, and then we headed for lunch. Now for lunch we chose a place which was highly recommended on Instagram and YouTube. The place is called Cherry Berry. It's a huge property nested quietly in between the tea estates, overlooking the tea estates. The view was absolutely stunning and the food was even better. You see for yourself. We were really hungry, so we ordered quite a lot of things on the menu, and I must say, everything we ordered was absolutely delicious. This was not only a treat for our tummies, but also a beautiful treat for our eyes. This is perhaps the most beautiful restaurants I have ever been to. The view was great, kids were enjoying the food, we were having such a great time. What else do you need?
So I'm here at this place. It's called Cherry Berry. Now it was really highly recommended on Instagram, YouTube, everywhere. So we kind of found our way to this place. The best thing about this place, one, it's huge. And it comes with its own view. I mean, we had such an amazing time sitting here, eating our food and just chilling. और इतना प्यारा view है ना, मतलब, you know, it's something else. Like I said, camera is not doing justice to what my eyes are seeing right now. मतलब huge windows overlooking the tea estate, and the food, the quality of the food is really good. So if you are planning to come to Coonoor, I also highly recommend this place. It's called Cherry Berry. यहाँ पे ज़रूर आना and order their rajma, chawal, dal makhni and stuff. It's really nice.
After a day full of traveling and walking, finally we treated ourselves with the chai, and the chai was also very good. The view outside is absolutely undescribable. एक शर्माता हुआ सूरज था, एक कोहरा भरा चांद, और मेरे हाथ में सर्दी की दिसंबर की वो चाय की प्याली. कुछ चीजें मैं आपको सिर्फ दिखा सकती हूँ, बट जो मैंने महसूस किया, it was absolutely paradise. कुछ ऐसा दिखता है चेरी बेरी बाहर से, और चारों तरफ वादियां हैं, चारों तरफ माउंटेन्स हैं, हल्की दिसंबर का धुंध है, कोहरा है. बहुत ही अच्छा टाइम था. और it was now time, actually evening हो चुकी थी इसी बीच, and it was now time to head back to our resort.
Okay, so now few things about where I'm staying. This resort is like at a very nice location. So everything was just 10 minutes or 12 minutes away, so that was a big relief. There are good restaurants around, there are nice viewpoints around. In fact, one very big viewpoint which is Dolphin Nose and Lamp Rock, that it's absolutely walking from the resort. So रिजॉर्ट की और भी बहुत सारी अच्छी बातें हैं, जैसे अमित इज़ वर्किंग राइट नाउ एंड द वाईफाई इज़ एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग. हमारी सारी वीडियोस, पिक्चर्स सब कुछ डाउनलोड हो रही हैं फास्ट एंड देयर लॉट ऑफ नाइस थिंग्स अबाउट द रिजॉर्ट विच आई वांट टू डिस्कस, बट आई विल डू दैट टुमारो मॉर्निंग बिकॉज नाउ आई एम सो टायर्ड. आई विल जस्ट कॉल इट अ डे. बहुत आज थोड़ी सी ट्रैवलिंग हो गई, थोड़ा सा छोटा मोटा सा साइट सीइंग भी हो गया, चिल भी हो गया. ऑब्वियसली पहाड़ों में आना जाना टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. सो येस, आई विल सी यू टुमारो मॉर्निंग, सो कीप वॉचिंग. पहाड़ वाली चाय. गुड नाइट.
So the name of this resort is Day Rock Jungle Resort, and we were very fortunate to have met the owner, Charles. He is an amazing host, a superb human being, and some of the things which actually stood up for me in this resort were the location. Location is absolutely great. It's just 5-10 minutes from all the major places to visit. In fact, Cherry Berry, which was one of the highlight for me on this trip, is just 5 to 10 minutes away. Then another thing is the good Wi-Fi. Another thing is absolutely beautiful view. The landscaping is great. There are so many birds which will be playing around in the morning, and you wake up to an amazing view of the tea states, and the mountains, and absolutely stunning. Once we had a great morning, a great start, we headed again to Cherry Berry for an amazing breakfast where Tanisi Vidushi ordered pancakes for themselves. Another big reason why we were back at Cherry Berry is because not only they have great food, but the service, the people who work in Cherry Berry, oh my god, they are so warm, so welcoming.
Hey, it's day 2 and now we are back at Cherry Berry for our breakfast. तो ये जगह हमें इतनी पसंद आ गई honestly that we are back. The food is so nice, and if I'll just show you what we ordered right now, you will understand what I'm saying and why we highly recommend Cherry Berry. तो बच्चों का pancake आया which I showed you right now. It was amazing, very well made, and oh my god, the taste and everything. And now I'll show you what I ordered. So this is what I ordered, avocado toast with fries, and Amit ordered this jungly paneer sandwich which is really nice and heavy, quite filling. Tanisi and Vidushi are enjoying their pancakes. है ना Tanisi? And we'll have a nice breakfast because we have somewhere very special to go after the breakfast. Yes. Hello, we are here day 2 and this is the first stop. हम आ गए हैं कुनूर railway station, and you know why? How can we come to Kunur and not do the toy train? I am so excited. मैंने बहुत सारी YouTube videos पे ये toy train देखी है. बड़ा cute सा station है. Let me show you around. Come on girls, let's go.
होने वाली है.
नहीं, जल्दी चलो. We are just in time.
So today is day 2 of our trip, and we started our morning with the much awaited toy train ride from Kunur to Ooty. Now this distance from Kunur to Ooty in a toy train takes about 1 hour. We opted for first class tickets which costed us 350 rupees per head. Now, how can you actually go to the hill stations of Kunur and Ooty and not do a toy train ride? I highly recommend this activity especially if you have kids with you. I think this is one thing you must do and must add to your list. Now the train ride was very time bounded, so we made sure that we reached on time, and the whole ride was absolutely stunning. The kids had so much fun. Honestly, we also had so much fun. It was something very thrilling and very nice for us. This was our first time, so we really enjoyed ourselves. We took a lot of videos and reels and pictures, something which will always remember all our lives. It was absolutely beautiful, looking over the mountains of Nilgiris, and how thrilling it was for the kids. I also did a small sketch while we were on this ride, and soon 1 hour just went by and we reached Ooty. So since we had little less time on our hands, we just skipped all the touristy places and we chose some really offbeat, scenic places, natural places to visit.
Hello people, finally I'm here. तो मैंने बहुत सुना था इस जगह के बारे में that it's a must visit place. This is called the 9th shooting point and this is actually in Ooty. So we have travelled from Coonoor to Ooty in a toy train, and from railway station we booked a cab and we have come straight to this shooting point, and look at this. It's beautiful. I can't believe my eyes. बहुत ही सुंदर जगह है. एक्चुअली कश्मीर की याद आ गई मुझे. But it's absolutely stunning. There are just valleys and mountains, endlessly green, like a green carpet everywhere. I can't believe my eyes. We have been here for quite some time, पर हम बहुत चिल कर रहे थे, मज़े कर रहे थे, तो हमने ज़्यादा शूट नहीं किया. But yes, this is amazing. चलो, I'll show you around.
देखा मेरे कैसा होगा?
तनु,
So like I said, बहुत देर से हम यहाँ पर हैं, just having some fun around. एक मिनट, I'll just take off my glasses. Better. So having some fun around here, clicking pictures, making some random reels, and picking up my bag. So now I'm going to the girls. Girls भी तनी से विदुषी काफ़ी मस्ती कर रहे हैं, photos खींच रहे हैं. And you know the good thing is we are here on a Tuesday. So strategically हम weekend में नहीं आए, and I think that was a great idea. See, मेरे पीछे तनी सी विदुषी jumping around. But this is beautiful. Look at the sky, so blue, so white, and the air. It is so fresh. Something you don't get in cities anymore.
So this place was straight out of a Van Gogh painting. It was like a beautiful picture postcard. The vibe of this place, the cold breeze, the warm sun, everything was a treat for your senses. If you go to Ooty, please do not miss this place.
Hello, we are here on our next pit stop. It's a pine forest. ये भी काफ़ी famous view point है, and like I said कि the best decision was to see all these touristy things or do all these touristy things on a weekday rather than a weekend. काफ़ी कम भीड़ है यहाँ पर. The kids are enjoying, we are enjoying, And yes, Tanisi found a pine.
This is a pine. I'm going to show my gymnastics. See?
Gymnastics. Anyways, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. So थोड़ी सी pictures click करने के बाद बैठे हुए हम यहाँ पे. We are just looking at the beauty of the nature and breathing, taking long breaths. The air is so fresh. It's quite calm, peaceful, serene. There is a small lake at the bottom of the forest, and it's beautiful. I mean, I can't describe. It feels great.
ये ऊंचे ऊंचे चीड़ के पेड़ और फिर उनसे छनती हुई हल्की सी धूप, कुदरत की ऐसी खूबसूरती, इसकी तुलना या इसका वर्णन करने के लिए मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है. शाम की टॉय ट्रेन पकड़कर हम लोग वापस ऊटी से कुनूर पहुंच गए. एंड दिस इज हाउ दिस ट्रिप केम टू एन एंड. ट्रिप थोड़ा छोटा था बट वी मेड द मोस्ट ऑफ इट. और अगर आपको ये व्लॉग मेरा अच्छा लगा हो देन प्लीज डू नॉट लीव विदाउट सब्सक्राइबिंग. आई विल सी यू सून. टिल देन बाय.